Subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
The Indian Subcontinent. Geography of the Indian Subcontinent. The Indian Subcontinent is made up of 7 countries: Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and the Maldives. The geography of the Indian Subcontinent is extremely diverse. This landmass is home to soaring mountains, fertile plains, and mighty rivers. Geography of the Indian Subcontinent. The Indian Subcontinent's most prominent physical feature is Mount Everest, the world's highest peak. Part of the Himalayan mountain range, Mount Everest is located on the border between Nepal and China. Mount Everest. Over 5,000 people have climbed Mount Everest. At roughly 29,000 feet in elevation, climbing Mount Everest is like climbing 20 Empire State Buildings. Climbers often rely on Sherpas, people who live in the Himalayas, to guide them up Mount Everest. K2. Located in Pakistan's Karakoram mountain range is K2, the world's second highest mountain. Although smaller than Everest by 800 feet, climbing K2 is much more dangerous. For every 3 climbers that reach the top of K2, 1 person dies trying. Climbing K2 is a 75-day adventure. The Indus River. Flowing through Pakistan is the Indian subcontinent's historic Indus River. The Indus River Valley was once home to the ancient Harappan civilization. 4,000 years ago, the Harappan civilization developed sophisticated plumbing systems and well-planned cities. Today, the Indus River Valley is Pakistan's most densely populated region. The Ganges River. India's Ganges River is the most sacred river to Hindus and a source of life for the millions of Indians living along its banks. Hindus bathe in the Ganges and even spread the cremated ashes of their loved ones in the river. Dying near the Ganges and being cremated on the river's banks ends the Hindu cycle of reincarnation and brings salvation to the deceased. Though the Ganges is extremely sacred, it is one of the world's most polluted rivers.
The trouble is that 400 million people live along the Ganges River, and as the population has boomed, so has the pollution. This sacred waterway is used as a swimming pool, laundry, bathroom and rubbish tip. It's so heavily polluted at Varanasi that the water is septic. No dissolved oxygen exists. River samples show a fecal bacterial count that's 3,000 times the safe level for bathing. Each day around 60,000 people go down to the Ghats of the holy Ganges River to take their daily spiritual dip along a 4-mile stretch of water. Along this same area, 30 large sewers are continuously discharging into the river. With that in mind, am I brave enough to do what the locals do here every day? I'm hoping that what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, because I'm going to take part in an ancient Hindu ritual, taking ablutions in the river, with local spiritual guide Ravi.
Now you look very Indian.
I'm afraid
Nice.
I might be a bit more full-bodied than you, Ravi. I might be laughing now, but to
Good.
be honest, I'm a bit worried.
You sure? Yes, sure. Don't worry.
It's, this water's very warm, unnaturally warm, I think. Unnaturally warm.
You are going to take bath in the nectar.
Where's next
not
step?
in the
There's
water.
next step. In where? Nectar.
Yes.
This doesn't smell or feel like nectar. I'm sorry.
Come down. Fine.
I can't believe I'm actually doing this.
Wait.
This current's really strong as well. Maybe it's lucky that the water's so murky. It means that I can't see what's lurking below the surface.
Oh, this water's wonderful and warm, but there's lots of stuff in it.
Monsoons. The climate of the Indian subcontinent is greatly impacted by the region's winter and summer monsoons. Monsoons are seasonal winds that bring either moist air or dry air to a region. From June through October, summer monsoons bring moist air from the Indian Ocean, causing heavy rains. Some parts of India can receive more than 3 feet of rain in less than 24 hours. From November through January, winter monsoons bring dry air to the region. Thank you for watching.